Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore LlamaIndex indexes after document ingestion updates step by step clearly. To restore LlamaIndex indexes after document ingestion updates, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of LlamaIndex installed. Open your terminal or command prompt. Navigate to the directory where your LlamaIndex project is located. Use the command to check your current indexes. Identify which index requires restoration based on your recent document ingestion updates. If needed, back up your current indexes to prevent data loss during the restore process. Prepare the necessary data files that you intend to use for restoration. Locate the backup files from previous successful indexes. Execute the restore command in your terminal, specifying the path to your backup files. Verify that the restoration process initiates without any errors. Once the restoration is complete, check the indexes to confirm they have returned to the desired state. If there are discrepancies, review the logs for any issues that may have arisen during the restoration. Re-index any missing or corrupted documents to ensure your index is fully functional. Test the updated indexes by running queries to confirm accuracy. Document any changes made during the restoration process for future reference. Conclude the process by cleaning up any temporary files created during the restoration. With these steps completed, your LlamaIndex indexes should now be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.